Lovely. Batham Nasanka gets Sri Lanka's account. That's quite close, and yes. Ooh, this is out, surely. Yes, it is. Hold him. Beautiful. Sam Curran. Gone.
Beautiful shot. 3 wonderful boundaries. Nice drive. Dhananjaya de Silva.
Pulled away, hasn't got it. Straight to Sam Burns.
That slight misfield from Jason Roy will bring up 50 for Dhananjaya de Silva. Shanaka goes up and over, and that'll go all the way for 6.
Oh, lovely. Morgan had just brought third man up inside the circle. Trouble though now. He's going to go here. Easy catch and well taken.
It's nicely timed, it's nicely placed, that's 4. It's hard, there's a sweeper there, hit straight to the sweeper. Now, is there a glove on that? I think that is, and that is Pfeiffer. Up in the air, fine leg coming in, yeah, takes the catch. Long on, Billings, 6. Willie finishes with 4, Sam Curran with 5. England will need 242 runs to go 2-0 up. It's a poor ball. That's the first poor ball of the innings. It's a half volley. That's 4 more.
Well, fetch that. Too short, too wide. Bairstow gets one away. That's vintage Johnny Bairstow. Was a bottom edge.
It takes him to a 50, another one for Jason Roy. Short arm jab gone, great catch. Ooh, flashed away.
That is well hit, that's nailed for 4.
Oh, that's beautifully played from Joe Root. Ooh. Oh, Morgan goes to 50 though, at a runner ball with 5 4s and a 6. And it is 50 for Joe Root. Takes the applause of his teammates.
Gets this through, and this will be 4 of them. That's the way to deal with the short ball. Owen Morgan completes this victory for England. A huge grin for England's one-day captain and England's test captain.